Imagine you have gone through a challenging legal process and decided to appeal a court's decision. You are waiting anxiously to hear the outcome, and then you receive the news that your appeal was affirmed. What does that truly mean for your case? When an appeal is affirmed, it means that a higher court, known as an appellate court, has reviewed the decision of a lower court and found no significant legal errors that would warrant changing it. In essence, the original decision stands. Appellate courts do not conduct new trials or reevaluate witness testimony. Their primary role is to review the legal proceedings of the trial court for mistakes or misapplications of the law. They examine the legal arguments, evidence presented, and the judge's rulings to ensure proper legal procedures were followed. If the appellate court determines that the trial court applied the correct legal standards, and its findings of fact were supported by the evidence, even if they might have reached a different conclusion themselves, they will affirm the decision. This shows respect for the trial court's role in hearing evidence and judging credibility, and it ensures that appeals are based on legal questions, not just disagreements with the outcome. For the individual who filed the appeal, an affirmation generally means that the judgment from the lower court remains in full effect. This could mean the conviction stands, the sentence is upheld, or the civil judgment against them is confirmed. While disheartening for the appellant, it signifies that the legal process followed was deemed fair and correct by the higher court. It is important to understand that appellate courts have three main options: affirm the lower court's decision, reverse it meaning they overturn it, or remand it sending the case back to the lower court for further action. Affirmations are the most common outcome, highlighting the high bar required to successfully overturn a lower court's ruling. This process underscores the legal system's emphasis on finality and due process. Ultimately, an affirmed appeal confirms the validity of the previous legal outcome. Understanding this result is key to evaluating any potential further legal steps, such as seeking review from an even higher court, if available, or shifting focus to complying with the affirmed judgment. It marks a significant point in the legal journey, clarifying the path forward after the appellate review.